Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I started making a series of videos on Indian Penal Code 1860 recently and I have uploaded a few videos. So I hope that you saw those videos, and if not, please check them out. I request you to watch all the videos from our channel and also press the bell icon next to subscribe button to get all the updates on our upcoming videos. Also subscribe to our channel. Today in this video, I'll explain Chapter 1 of IPC, which covers Section 1 to 5. Section 1 to 5 of this code tells us about the jurisdiction of IPC. Today in this video, I am going to elaborately explain the topic of jurisdiction covering Section 1 to 5. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Section 1. Title and extent of operation of code. This act shall be called Indian Penal Code and shall extend to whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. First part of this section provides for title or the name by which the code will be called, and that is Indian Penal Code 1860. The second part of this section provides for extent of operation of this code and provides that jurisdiction extends to whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir, because it has been given special status by Article 370 of Constitution. This means that code is applicable to entire territory of India. What is the exact territory of India is the matter in question now. At this point, to move ahead, we have to understand the term jurisdiction. So we will study the remaining 4 sections and then I will explain jurisdiction. Section 2. Punishment of offences committed within India. Every person shall be liable to punishment under this code and not otherwise for every act or omission contrary to the provisions thereof, of which he shall be guilty within India. This provision refers to intra-territorial operation of this code. Essentials of definition. Number 1. Every person is liable under this code. Number 2. For every act or omission contrary to the provisions of this code. Number 3. Within territory of India. This provision subjects every person to punishment under this code who violates any provisions of this code by act or omission of which he shall be guilty within India. The use of expression every person in this section and not any person as in section 3 and 4 is deliberate. No distinction has been made of nation, rank, caste or creed of any person. Whoever violates any provision of this code is liable to punishment. A foreign national committing an offence within India can be punished. In the famous case of Mubarak Ali versus State of Bombay, a national of Pakistan made certain false representations from Karachi by letters, telegrams and telephones to the complainant at Bombay, on the belief of which the complainant paid certain amount of money to the agent of Pakistani at Bombay. The Supreme Court held that Pakistani national was subject to the jurisdiction of Indian courts for having committed the offence of cheating, and as the appellant had already surrendered to the authorities of India under the provisions of Fugitive Offenders Act 1881 in connection with another case, his conviction was valid under section 420 of Indian Penal Code. In the Aesop's case, a foreigner had committed an unnatural offence on an Indian ship lying at St. Catherine's docks. His defence that he was a foreigner and that in his country such act was not an offence was rejected on the ground that act was an offence under IPC and that it was committed on an Indian ship which was Indian territory.